Chapters and Night Farms, otherwise referred to as C&H Farms, we're a commercial farm. We are located in Abeokuta. So C&H Farms was created in 2021. So we are 3 years old now. We started commercially on the 1st of July 2021. We started the farm so as to impact the food chain, especially where it comes to eggs, where it comes to meat and short-term vegetables. So we started with 2,500. By God's grace, today we currently have a farm capacity of about 40,000 birds in 3 years. So we must be doing some things right. So of course, some things, as with life, some things haven't